videos. So I'm going to be showing you how to basically create a stash for any job or any gang, whatnot, with QB-Framework. All the stuff that is needed in the description. Some of this stuff is not really required, but I would advise you to do it. For example, Visual Studio Code, so use that. So I'm going to be showing you basically how to create a stash like this, where you go up to it and you can, store stuff in it. So say if I store machete in it, it's still there, and anybody in the same gang as me can access it. So for instance, I'm gonna put a stash in this room over here. Obviously, put it anywhere you want. I've got my own kind of room. Let's create a stash over here. Alright. So first gonna need to do is go into your files. Mine is on FileZilla, but yours would probably be local hosted or whatnot. And go onto your resources, and then you're gonna download QB-drawtext. This is basically so that it will show like open stash, because if you don't have it, it's not going to show that. And then you're going to need QB stashes, which I've already downloaded, which is over here. No, it's over here. Right. So double click it to download, or you can edit in there. I recommend you downloading it and then editing it, because then you won't fuck everything up. And we're going to make another stash under here. Just copy this, and I'm going to put this in the description as well, so you can copy it. Basically, you can call this anything you want. This bit here, I'm just going to call this room 1, and then I'm going to call this room 1 storage. So this needs to be different for everyone, because if it isn't different for any of these, what it's gonna do is it's gonna mess up everything. So it's gonna be like a fucking like ender chest in fucking Minecraft, alright? So don't do that. Nobody wants that. So coords, you're gonna need to go t/admin, developer options, copy vector 4. That simple. Go to here, done. Alright, and you can also double check yourself if you don't think these are the right coords. If you have txadmin, which you should do, coords, and as you can see, it's perfect. So we'll keep that there. So if you want the job required instead of a gang, you have to do set this to false, and then set this to true, and then put the job in here. So I don't know, like hot dog job or whatnot. But for me, in this video, I'm going to be doing a gang. So if you go to here, I'm not going to be changing this because I want it to be cryptocrypts, but you could change it to ballas, or yeah. But I'm going to be keeping it as cryptocrypts. And the stashSlots, so I want 100 on this because I want a big stash. The stash size is how much weight you could put in it. Just keep it as anything you want, really. I'm going to keep it as this because I think this is perfectly fine. You won't be going over this, it's impossible basically. And yeah, so once you've done that, check over it, should be fine. But we also need to put a, there we go. So that's all done. Make sure you also have autosave on, so when you close this, it will be saved. Go into your QB stashes, replace it, and then overwrite. And then, so when you go up to it now, as you can see, nothing's showing up. If you do t/ensure and then QB dash stashes, okay, let's go up to it. As you can see, it says open stash over here, and then we can go in it, and here you go, room 1 storage. And then let's say if I put, I don't know, like a bunch of machetes in there and a fucking plastic bag. Let's walk away. We go anywhere we want. Go over here. Alright. Let's go into the actual room again. You can basically go go anywhere you want, and then if you go into it, as you can see, they're all still here, and you can, do that. Alright, so that's basically how you open a stash, or create one in QB Core framework.